Now I want to calculate tax rate on total sales. A food cafe administrator pay 3% tax on total sales of that day 16 November 2018 to government. So what will be the subtotal sales of that day after deduction of tax rate? In mathematics, we calculate 3% of $355.91 is equal to 3 multiplied by $355.91 divided by 100. The solution is $10.68. But in Excel, if percentage symbol is visible, then you do not need to divide by 100. So activate cell J41, type equal sign, then click cell reference M34, enter multiplication operator, then press cell reference J34, press enter. Here you have a 3% tax rate on total sale. But remember, when you are calculating tax rate by this method, in Home tab, Number group, you must not in percentage mode. If you are in percentage mode, you will not get correct result. So you are in general mode, number mode, currency mode, or accounting mode, because percentage symbol is already visible with 3. Now, to calculate subtotal sales, activate cell J42. Type equal sign, then click cell reference J34, enter subtraction operator, then click cell reference J41, press enter. Here you have a total sales after the deduction of tax. Currently you are in accounting mode. Select the cells of column J, press Ctrl key, select the cells of column L, scroll down, press again Ctrl key, select J34, press again Ctrl key, select these all. In Home tab, in number group, select down arrow button, click currency mode. Now you are in currency mode.